Good evening, everybody. My name is Bernard Emejuru, GPH 732, Community Assessment, Week 4 assignment. My priority health problems are number 1, lack of insurance, number 2, household income, low household income, number 3, high infant mortality, number 4, poverty, number 5, unemployment, number 6, high cost of housing, and number 7, violent crime. I have a slide of the communities, the counties in New York City, painted in different colors. You can see my county is the one painted with red color. We have high no insurance, health insurance percent of adults, 24 to 38, as is indicated there. And if you look at other counties that have different colors, less color, you can see that they have lower no insurance, no health insurance percentage. For example, the light gray color over here has about 9 to 17%, and overall, Brownsville, Kings County, has high unemployment, uninsured residents. Number 3 slides I will show is a slide of the same New York City with the counties, New York State with the counties, and it says it gives us a percentage of infant mortality per 1,000 live births. You can equally see here that my county has the highest mortality rate of 6.1 to 9.0. It's very high. Comparing that with other counties in the state, averagely they all have between the ranges of 1.0 to 6.0. So this is a cause of alarm and needs urgent medical attention to address the disparity in my county. Yes, another slide I would also like to show is a slide that shows poverty by race and ethnicity. You can see here African Americans, the Black community, they have almost 60% of poverty ratio than any other race. Next to them is Hispanics that have about maybe barely 22, 21%, and then the white people less than 10%, and other races less than 2-3%. The next slide is my references that covers this little slides show. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.